Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. So today I am going to discuss about very special tutorial. Please watch this video till end. So it is very informative for all of you, and don't miss this video. And the important thing is, today I will show you how to detect the faces in an image by using OpenCV and a Python. So this is a very quick tutorial. I wanted to share a very popular and easy way of detecting a faces using hair cascade in OpenCV and Python. First of all, make sure you have the OpenCV installed. So you can install it by using a pip command. So I'm using here VS Code. Now I will show you how you can install it. Okay, so this is my VS Code editor. You can use any editor. Just you need to install, write pip install OpenCV Python. Okay, type this command and then you will able to install the OpenCV in your environment, in your editor. Okay, so once you will install the OpenCV, then you need to import these OpenCV libraries, okay, in your program. If you will see here now, okay, now let me increase the font size. If you will see here, so import CV2. so this is your import CV2. You have imported this library. After that, what you need to do, so face detection using hair cascade. This is the hair cascade classifier. I will just show you. So this is the hair cascade is a machine learning based approach where the cascade function is trained with the set of input data. So OpenCV already contain many pre-trained classifier for face, eyes and smiles and etc. There are so many classifier, but today I will use the face classifier. So you can experiment with the other. You can download this classifier, hair cascade classifier, this classifier. Okay, so this classifier you can download this XML file from, it is available in the OpenCV GitHub repository. You can just download it. I will also give you the link in the video description. You can also download from the video description as well. Okay, so if you need this classifier, as I told you, this is a machine learning based approach. So this the function of this cascade is to train with the set of input data. As I told you, OpenCV already contain many pre-trained classifier. So for the, especially for the face, eye, smile. Okay, and here I'm just using only for the face. Okay, so you can use for the other purpose as well. After that, what you need to do, so once you will use this classifier, and then you need to load the image. So this is the command. So you need to load the image, so you need to read the, so this command is basically used to read the input image. This is to read the input image. So this is our image. I already saved in the same folder where I have this hair cascade classifier. In the same folder I have the program. Okay, so in the same folder you can save the picture and the classifier and the Python program. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to read the input image. Then here this command is basically what it will do, it will convert into a grayscale. Why we need to convert into a grayscale? Because the detection work only on the grayscale image. So it is important to convert the color image to a grayscale. Please keep it in your mind. So here you can see gray CV2 color image. This is your image, CV2 color BGR to gray. So faces, now this command is very important, so please just try to understand this one. So detect the faces. So here it will detect the faces. So this is detect multi-scale. This detect multi-scale function is used to detect the faces. It take 3 argument. One is gray input image. Okay, this is the image because this is our gray. This is the input image. Scale factor, this is the scale factor, and this is the min neighbor. This is the min neighbors. So scale factor specify how much the image size is reduced with each scale, and min neighbor specifies how many neighbors each candidate. So now the rectangle should have to retain it. So you may have to tweak these value to get the best result. Sometime we will tweak this value and we will get the our best result. Okay, so I will show you how you can tweak these value. Okay, how you can change the value and get your desired result. Sometime if you are not getting the exact result, you need to tweak these values. Okay, and here this is the for loop, x, y, x coordinate, y coordinate, width and height in the faces. Then cv2.rectangle image x and y coordinate, x plus width, y plus width, and here this is the rectangular color. Okay, which color you are going to use, which will make this rectangular color. Okay, and this is the width of the rectangle. Okay, cv2.image, this is I am show. So draw the rectangle around the faces, and after that what it will do, it will just display the output, and cv2.weight, it will weight. You can see the image. Okay, now I explain the code line by line, and now let me run and you will see how it will work. Okay, now you will see I have this image picture. Now you can see it is going to detect the faces. Okay, now let me take some other picture and you will see I have another picture is 1.jpg. Let me use this one with this picture. Let's see how it will work. Now you can see it also detect the faces. It detect the face only. You can see it's a big image, but it only detect the image. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in another video. So in next video I will take the picture from the webcam and it will detect the image, the face. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you.